Could remote work be the future of our professional lives? In the year 2024, it seems more and more likely. Let's dive into the most in-demand remote jobs of this year. First on our list is the software developer. As the digital world continues to expand, so does the demand for individuals who can create, test, and maintain the software that keeps it running. These virtual architects use their skills in coding, design, and problem-solving to build the digital landscapes we navigate every day. Next, we have the data analyst. In a world increasingly driven by data, these professionals are the gatekeepers. They collect, process, and interpret complex data sets, turning raw numbers into actionable insights for companies across industries. The third job on our list is the customer success manager. These individuals are key players in ensuring customer satisfaction. They understand the product or service inside out and use this knowledge to help customers achieve their goals. The project manager comes in at number 4. Remote work has made project management a critical skill, as businesses look for professionals who can lead teams, manage resources, and deliver results, all while navigating the challenges of a virtual workplace. Our fifth job is the marketing specialist. As the online marketplace becomes more competitive, companies need individuals who can help them stand out. These specialists use their skills in SEO, content marketing, and social media to enhance brand visibility and drive sales. Sixth on our list is the content writer-editor. With the power of words, these professionals shape the voice of a brand. They create engaging content that resonates with target audiences and drives engagement. Coming in at 7 is the social media manager. These digital natives understand the ins and outs of various platforms and know how to leverage them to foster community, enhance brand awareness, and drive engagement. The eighth job is the cybersecurity specialist. As more businesses move online, the need for cybersecurity has skyrocketed. These specialists ensure the safety of digital assets, protecting them from cyber threats. Ninth on our list is accountancy and bookkeeping. These professionals are the financial backbone of any business, ensuring the books balance and the company stays in the black. And finally, at number 10, we have the virtual assistant. These professionals wear many hats, providing administrative support, managing schedules, and even handling social media. In summary, the future of work in 2024 is remote. From software development to virtual assistants, these roles represent the most in-demand remote jobs of the year. They highlight the growing need for digital skills, the importance of customer engagement, and the increasing value of data in our decision-making. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, these fields offer abundant opportunities for growth and success in the remote work landscape.